Yeah, so I've only been here a short time and I've grown a lot as a person myself, as there is a lot of continuous development and learning on the job, which is a really good thing here. And I think there are many career opportunities as well, within internally inside the business.
I'd say if you have the opportunity, definitely go for it. The company's going from strength to strength, really looked after us this last year as well. I'd say, yeah, it's a really good firm to work for. Like I say, we're treated like adults, there's a lot of flexibility, and as long as you're putting the effort in, the company backs you.
Anybody starting the career or looking at Canada Life as a potential employer, I would say go for it. I'd say if you want to find those values of people being central and genuinely customer being central, and a company that's very open to change and ideas and empowering the people and flexibility, I would say go for it.
What has surprised me the most is probably that I've never had a day where I didn't want to come to work, and that's not always been the case in previous jobs. There's a lot of firefighting, but I work with really great people, and at the end of the day I go home thinking I've made a valuable contribution.
I think I'd strongly suggest always make it very clear what your goals and ambitions are from when you start. I think Canada Life are very good at supporting and providing the right opportunities to the right people.
So I would say to be open-minded and to be up for saying yes, for trying new things. So opportunity will come looking for you at Canada Life, and my own experience has been one in which if you put yourself out your comfort zone and have a go at something that might feel a bit scary, you might find that it can open completely new doors to you, and it's really worthwhile doing. So keep an eye open for those opportunities and be brave enough to have a go.